What is that one, Onek?
Is my comb.
It's your comb, ba?
Yeah,
But it looks like a brush for the shoes.
And I use it also for.
What's
now
this
I'm
one?
using it only for hair.
This shoes, this is
is
brush
shoe
for
polish.
the
Yeah.
for the shoes, ah. Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ngayon nga pala, hindi ko alam kung ano yung temperature ngayon, pero masyadong mainit. Pupunta ako ng market kasi. Meron kasing isang kaibigan natin na birthday daw niya nung February 13. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Ang gusto niya, magbigay uli nung biskwit para doon sa mga bata doon sa church nila Pastor Onek. Kaya pupunta uli ako ng market ngayon. Dapat mamamalengke ako para doon sa mga pagkain ko pero uunahin ko muna yon. Bukas na lang ako mamimili para yung sa akin. Ito yung lugar sa palengke na nagbebenta ng mga wholesale. Dito lang ako bumibili kapag meron akong mga dinadala sa church. Mas mura kasi dito wholesale nga lang talaga. This one is how many pieces? 120,
120, yeah.
Nandito na nga pala ako ngayon sa bahay ni Onek. Bibihis siya. Naliligo nung dumating ako. Dinala ko lang yung mga biskwit na yan para sa mga bata bukas. Dito lang siya nagcha-charge. Solar yung gamit niya. Ayan yung baterya niya. Mukhang bago. This new, Onek? These two big batteries?
Yeah, but after the second time, ada powerful.
So you're just charging here,
Use only for charging phone. And
How
then
about
my
the
phone
pan?
is running. My phone will run
It can
24
work.
hours.
This one?
This one, right? This phone.
I mean at night.
Yes, at night it will run.
It can run at night,
Up to morning, 24 hours.
Oh.
So I'm just enjoying with this hotness.
This looks like my pan.
Yeah, you see how it's powerful.
I have the same also
Okay.
in Philippines. Also 12 volts.
Very nice.
Ito nga palang inuupahan niya na yan. Dati daw clinic yan Kaya kahit paano maayos. At malaki yung compound. Ayan Yung mga sasakyan na yan, iniwan nung dating umuupa dyan. Ang problema daw niya dito, pag tag-ulan, bumabaha. Ayan yung solar panel niya. Yan yung sa mga kapitbahay niya dito. Ganito yung itsura ng paligid sa lugar nila Onek. Malapit lang sila sa may market. At kung mapapansin nyo yung may tower na yan, sa may market na yan. What is that one, Onek?
Is my comb.
It's your comb, ba?
Yeah,
But it looks like a brush for the shoes.
And I use it also for.
What's
now
this
I'm
one?
using it only for hair.
This shoes, this is
is
brass
shoe
for
polish.
the
Yeah.
for the shoes. Sister Amina, do you think she's there in the church now?
Yes.
Okay.
She's there, yes, sir.
Onek, somebody wants to give you this one.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless this person. God bless you so
The
much.
same person, she don't want to be mentioned.
Oh, thank you so much. May God bless the work of your hand. Thank you, Pepito.
Okay.
Okay.
And Sister Amina is there,
We will find out in the
Okay.
church.
This one is for Sister Amina.
Okay.
At natatandaan niyo pa ba si William, our former colleague in in WFP? Where are you
yeah.
working now?
I'm jobless now. I'm not working.
What happened to CTG?
CTG lost a contract, the refugee contract, so it also affect all field admins.
Okay.
We are hunting for the new job now. If God help us, we can get another opportunity. So how was work? How are you going with COG this time?
Just the same. Just the same.
No,
But during their first 2 months,
yeah.
so many problems.
Oh yeah.
But on the third month, fourth month, it's okay. It became okay.
They
Just
have
like before.
improvement now. So now, how can you see now the CTG and COG? How do you see the service
Now,
they provide?
at this time, it's just the same.
The same-
Only the problem is on the first month.
the first month. So they are doing well now.
Now it's good.
Okay.
Okay,
that's great.
good to see you here.
Thank you.
Kahit nga pala dito, pasikreto lang yung ginagawa kong pagbibideo. Kasi wala pa silang bakod. At merong mga kapitbahay na nanunood. Baka merong magreklamo, magka-problema na naman. Ito yung shelter nila. Hindi pa rin pala nalalagyan ng mga upuan. Kulang pa daw sa budget eh. Ayan. Ito nga pala uli si Sister Amina. Hello, Sister Amina.
Hello.
So, how are the children?
The children are okay. Today is our day. We shall practice today.
They are not stubborn.
They are very much disturbed, but just through the grace, I manage. Yeah.
Sister, somebody wants to give you this.
Okay.
This for you.
Oh,
And for tomorrow, we will bring something for them.
okay. Thank you very much. We had decided tomorrow they will just come, but they will go home because we had nothing to give them tomorrow. So the one who put his hand on his pocket and gave something for the children, God bless you very much. Even the one who has given this for me, let God of mercy bless you and do you good. Thank you very much.
This is the same person who gave before. The one who don't want to be mentioned.
Yeah, okay,
That one,
okay,
the same
okay,
person.
Yeah. Let your name remain hidden. I know God knows your name. Be blessed very much and let your pocket never lack.
And there is some remaining, so I'll give it also to you. You will take care of this one for the children also.
Okay. Thank you very much. I received it from brother. God bless you. God do you good. It will do a lot. Now we are contributing small. We want to make for them a uniform to look smart. So thank you very much for your contributions. God do you good. Thank you very much.
This one is for you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you so for the one for the children.
I will come tomorrow.
Okay, welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. God bless you. Bye.
Ang napansin ko nga pala, mas marami na yung mga nagpa-practice ngayon. Hindi kagaya ng mga dating pumupunta ko doon. Yung nagpa-practice, mga 30 bata lang, ganon. Ngayon, ang dami. At ang sabi nila, mas madami daw yung uma-attend pagka linggo. Kaya bukas makikita natin. Sabi niya, kung nakita ko daw na marami noong nakaraan, mas madami daw ngayon. Kaya sabi nila, salamat daw uli sa mga biskwit. At kahit paano may maibibigay uli sila bukas. Dahil nung nakaraan yata nagbigay din sila, kaya nga lang naubos na daw yung mga itinatabi nilang mga biskwit. Kaya natutuwa sila at nakapagdala uli tayo. At bukas sabi ko pupunta uli ako. At para po doon sa kaibigan natin na nagpadala ng pera para sa kanila, maraming salamat daw po. Tuwan-tuwa talaga sila. Dahil nga konti lang talaga yung sumusuporta doon sa church nila. Ang karamihan ng nagiging pondo nila galing lang din sa mga member. Kaya nga lang, dahil mahirap na lugar nga ito, maliit lang yung pondo nila. Kaya yung ganung mga biskwit na para sa mga bata lang yon, hindi pa yun sa church, masayang masaya na sila noon. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung sinare ko ngayon. At maraming salamat po sa mga laging nakasubaybay sa mga video natin.